Good morning, all of you. My name is Sanjay Kumar Patel, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, MLV Textile and Engineering College, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Here I am going to discuss Module 3rd, Lecture number 8 depends on CAMS. Here I will discuss point 3rd, displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram when the follower moves with uniform acceleration and retardation. If we know that angle of outstroke, dwell time and return stroke, first we have scale them and divide into some even parts. Outstroke divided into 8 parts. Similarly, return stroke also divided into 8 parts. After that, we have divided the stroke, as I mentioned in point number 2nd, into even number of parts, just like a outstroke. But division of stroke is different from the outstroke and return stroke. First of all, we have joined A to J. A to J. After that, we divide a middle vertical line 4 into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And join these points by point J and below middle of this point join by point A to A, A to B, A to C and A to D already know, and remaining half part of middle of line which exists lies above the middle point joined by the point J to G, A, H, J to F, J to E. You can see that A to A, you draw the line, that line cut at vertical line 1 at this point, B, A to B cut to vertical line 2 at that point, again vertical line C cut vertical line 3 cut by AC at that point, then D, again that is E, that is F, that is G, and join these points, get a curve. After that, J2 at that point is called dwell time, therefore follower in resting position. Similarly, we have divided return stroke into even number of parts like outstroke and draw a curve like that. With help of displacement diagram, we have drawn the velocity diagram. In velocity diagram, middle of the outstroke will be maximum. And we can say that vertical line 4 to H will represent the maximum velocity of follower. Here we have drawn a straight line after the decreasing the velocity of follower during the dwell time, velocity is 0 or uniform. After that, velocity during the return stroke going to maximum, but direction is negative, and then return to 0. After that, during the dwell time, its velocity is constant. With help of velocity diagram, we have drawn the acceleration diagram. Sudden velocity increase at t will be very less. Therefore, we have shown the sudden increase the acceleration where velocity is 0. During uniform motion of velocity, acceleration will be constant. Again, where velocity is maximum, their acceleration sudden goes to 0. After that, acceleration goes to sudden in negative direction. During the decreasing the velocity, acceleration is uniform. After that, at point this velocity is 0, then acceleration will be sudden 0. During the dwell time, velocity is constant or 0. Here velocity, here acceleration is 0. Again velocity going to maximum at mid of return stroke and direction is negative. Here again I have shown acceleration goes to maximum where velocity is 0, acceleration goes to maximum AR. Again velocity of follower goes maximum at the mid of return stroke. During this time, acceleration will be constant. Sudden where acceleration will be maximum, the sudden decrease the acceleration at 0 again goes rise to maximum acceleration in positive direction. During returning stroke, here velocity decrease and goes to 0. During this time, acceleration will be constant, and where velocity is 0, where sudden decrease the acceleration at 0. But if we have said that where velocity is 0, on which point acceleration will be maximum, and sudden decrease goes to dwell time where acceleration will be constant or 0. Here I have shown the velocity of outstroke, velocity of return stroke. Maximum velocity of outstroke is 2 times of velocity of outstroke. Maximum velocity of return stroke is 2 times of velocity of return stroke. Same diagram I have shown here now, how to draw the displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram related to the follower motion, which is discussed in last slide. This slide is very important for you. You can see many times, then you understand how to draw the velocity, displacement and acceleration diagram related to follower. Here some points mentions related to the formula. A naught is equal to outstroke is equal to velocity, linear velocity of outstroke divided of half time of the outstroke, and put the formula V naught here. Then we have got 4 times omega square multiply s divided upon theta naught to the whole square. Similarly, we have write the formula for return stroke related to acceleration, linear acceleration, that is the linear acceleration. AR 4 times omega square dot s. Here in place of theta naught will be theta r. Here in place of theta naught will be equal to theta r. Therefore here theta r square. Already you know that formula, theta t naught is equal to theta naught divided upon omega. Omega is equal to theta naught divided upon t naught. Omega for return stroke is equal to theta r divided upon t r.